Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we got another thing from Battlbox in the mail today. And strangely enough, we already received the mission brief for January, but this box still showed up. It's not really that big, so yeah, let's see what Battlbox sent to us. Let's check it out. Okay, so yeah, I'm a little confused by what Battlbox would be sending me since, like I said, we already got the mission brief for January. We got some more airline air cushion. But we have a box. Okay, that's all we got. We got this box. And it is from Lord and Field. There is no note, nothing but the box. So let's see what this is. And this looks like it's just something for... Ooh, it is a knife. Alright, so let's see what this is. This is a Frontiersman Survival Knife How-To Guide. I don't know how much of that, if I can get the glare. This is a coated piece of paper, so the glare is going to probably make this, you know, where you can't really read it. But basically what it does, what this thing has here, it has a picture of the knife. It says it's 9.25 overall inches, 4.6 blade length. It says it has removable micarta scale. Of course, the sheath does have a ferro rod here. So you have a decent sized ferro rod, and you have a little striker there. And yeah, the ferro rod is you know, fairly good size, you know. Yeah. And like I said, tethered to it is a little striker, so you got a little striker. And you know, they make a little loop here that makes it convenient. The mounts for this knife are your typical lashings that have two snaps here in the back, and they just loop over to this end, so you can put it on a belt. You can run a belt through it, whatever you want, pack. You can probably run some webbing through some moly, because I'm kind of addicted to that. Mounting everything with moly, or on moly, I should say. Okay, so let's see what the knife's all about. I like the color. It's a very, very green color. Very green. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Wait, what is this? What is going on with this knife? An Allen key. Oh, now that's cool. Check that out. See that indentation there at the top of the spine? Look at that. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, look at that. Ferro rod fits perfect right there. So that is an integrated striker, kind of a striker place for the ferro rod. Awesome. Dude, that's really cool. But check that out, guys. I don't know if you can see that or not. You see the right here? Look right here by the handle. There is an Allen key. Hopefully that's focusing. I can't really tell. But there's an Allen key in there to take the handle off. Okay, so let's do this. Hopefully, I didn't want this video to be long, but let's see. See if I can take this off real quick, and we can kind of see what's going on with this thing. and see what the big deal is with this knife, with having these removable scales, because they say there's a picture of like some arrowheads, or actually it says arrowhead. Okay, fair enough. Let's see what that's about. Okay, I have the screws and the backers removed. Whoa, hello. Hello. Let me just leave this one on. That's what's in the handle of this knife. It's two arrowheads. Okay, now let me... And there's the actual blade. Completely naked. Naked blade. It's a nice looking knife. It's a very substantial knife. You know, it's got some really good thickness to it, and that's really cool. But check this out, man. Check out these arrowheads. Okay, I was wondering what was holding them in. There's a magnet. There's a magnet right there that helps hold them in place when they're in the handle. Don't know why, because they can't really go anywhere, but check out that little arrowhead. And it is a... Come on, baby, focus. Focus. Yeah, I hope you guys can see, you know, it's a very three-dimensional. It's not just, you know, it's not the thin point carved. It's carved like that. So it's, yeah. And it does have a place there you could run some twine through, and you could affix it. Or being that it has that, like, that slotted screwdriver point on the end, you could run it into a you know, if you found an appropriate type stick, you could run it into the end, tie it off, and you could actually make an arrow, which I'm assuming, you know, duh, it's an arrowhead, make an arrow with it, right? But you could do other things than just make an arrow. I guess that was really the point I was trying to make. But check this out. Okay, so this end, this scale, that's the indention cut in there for the Allen key. Okay, that's where the Allen key goes. But check that out. The other scale has a place right here for some fire tinder, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a bow drill divot for creating a friction fire, for starting a fire with a friction. You know, whoa, uh-oh. Come back here. All right. So this was very unexpected to have a knife that is really this cool. Let's just read from the little thing here. It says it's 1095 high carbon, 9.2 ounces. It has a pull-out hidden Allen key, and the handle has built-in bow drill divot for starting a friction fire, as well as a cavity to store additional tinder, fishing hooks, magnesium capsules, or other survival gear. Inside the handle of the knife are two arrowheads, which can be used to lash onto a limb and create arrows for hunting. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. I'm just going to say this. This is a really cool knife. I have never seen anything like that before. I've never seen an idea to, you know, excuse me, to do this to a knife, to have this kind of, this is like some mad scientist stuff going on. And yeah, totally unexpected from Battlbox. So yeah, a knife that just showed up, and it's a very, very unique and very cool knife. So yeah, guys, it showed up to me today. Just wanted to bring it to you, and yeah, I'm glad I opened it, because it was really cool. It's a really cool knife. 1095 high carbon, can't beat it. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to share this with you, and if you made it this far in the video, man, please subscribe. Share the video to anybody you think would like this type of content. Leave me any comments down in the comment section below, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.